So hi, my name is Sarvesh and you're watching D365 Notes. So today the agenda of this video is how to use financial tag in sales order in D365. So let's get started. In last video we have covered about financial tag in D365. So let's cover about sales order in D365. Let's see in system. Now for financial tag, we need to enable the financial tag in D365 for sales order. So how to enable it? We will see that in this video, as well as we will see how to use that. For enabling financial tag for sales order, you have to go to system admin, feature management, all features, and filter enable financial tag for sales order. So select this, and from here you will see here, if you see one enable button will come, so you can enable it from here. After enabling, you need to configure your financial tag. For configuration, you have to go to general ledger, chart of accounts, and financial tag here. Now I will deactivate this project ID. Now I will create one more, which is customer group. Okay, I will be taking as a list. Okay, these are the customer group, and I will take one more. I will take as a tag as an employee. Here I will mention the list, and I can select worker. Okay, save this and activate this financial tag. So these are the one, and you can activate it. Okay, let me refresh once again. It is activated now. Now let's see how to create sales order and how to use the financial tag in D365. So go to account receivable, orders, all sales orders, create new sales order. Here I will be taking this customer US02, and my warehouse will be 13. So my warehouse is finished good warehouse. So site will automatically populate. Then you can click on OK. So once it is created, you have to go to header. Under header you will see financial tag. So mention your external reference number for your sales order, maybe like 123. For external purpose, you are using the external reference order reference number. So I have mentioned that. Location maybe my Jaipur, and my customer group is let's say retail customer, and my employees, let's tag this employee. Click on save, go to lines. Now select your item number. This is the item number. Okay, and I will not change anything, and my quantity is 1 and unit price is automatically coming, so I will not change that. So here in the line details, if you see financial tags, now if you see for this line it is automatically coming. So what we can do now is we can just go to cell, and let me save this and confirm the sales order, and we can post the packing slip. Now the sales order is confirmed. I can post the packing slip. Here you will see post packing slip. So under the pick and pack you will see post packing slip. So I can see my lines are coming. I will click OK. Now OK, no problem. I can post it. I can see my packing slip journal, and I can see the uh, physical voucher for this. And if I scroll right, You will see here external reference number, location ID, and customer group and employees. You can see it is marked on the transaction which we have selected in the sales order. If you want to edit, you can use the edit internal voucher, and you can use this feature which I have showcased in my earlier video. Let me go back. Now I will invoice this. Let me invoice this. Okay. So my lines are coming correctly. I can click OK. Okay. Now say the status is delivered. It will change to invoiced. Now once it is invoiced, you can go to journals, check the invoice, and for going to journal, you have to go to journals here and click on invoice. So it will redirect you to the journal form. Click on voucher. If you scroll right, you can see external reference ID and location ID. It was marked as per as per your selection in the sales order level. This is the part of one scenario where you can use the financial tag feature in D365. I will show you one more scenario quickly. I will create one sales order and I will show you how it behave. Instead of header, this time we will select financial tag on line level. We will not select here. Okay. So on the line level, we will select. So let me create. So this time the sales order is created. I will not select any financial tag on header level. So you will see I will mention external reference number, my location ID, let's say same as Jaipur. Customer group, this time I will take major customer. Employee, let's take one. Okay. Now I will post that. I will just directly invoice this sales order. So here, if you see invoice, I can generate this invoice, and my quantity is all, and my data is flowing correctly. So I can click OK and OK. So quickly I am showing how the invoice is working and how. So I'm quickly showing you how this worked when financial tags are selected on line level. So I will go to invoice journal. Earlier we have selected on header level. So I invoice journal voucher, and if you see here, for all the lines it is coming on the location ID as well as customer group and employees and external reference number, but for the line of customer balance it is not coming. So that is the basic thing difference between header level financial tag and line level financial tag. It will not automatically appear in here. If you want to select the financial tag for all the lines, then you have to make sure that you are applying the financial tag on header level. So that's it for today. I will cover more scenario related to sales order for the financial tag in my upcoming video, like how to override the financial tag which is selected on header level, and multiple scenario I will be covering. So let's end this video, and that's it for today. I will see you in the next video. Till that time, tata, bye bye. See you in the next one.